Welcome to my channel. I am back with another hair collab, and today I am collabing with Kriyya hair. They sent me this bob wig and I'll be installing it with you guys, showing y'all everything that I did to get this look. So y'all, let's get right into this video. Hope y'all enjoy as much as I enjoy collabing with them and making this video.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
So y'all, this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed as much as I enjoy making and collabing with Kriyya hair. You can use my discount codes to get money off. It will be in the description box. Their Instagram, their website, literally everything will be in the description box. The exact links to this wig will be in the description box as well, y'all. I definitely love this look. I definitely love this bob look. I love the swoop, literally everything about it. Definitely was cute. Definitely was a look, y'all. So yes, y'all, as I said before, you can use my discount code to get money off. If you are interested in shopping with them, let them know that I did see y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, and I will see y'all in my next video.